Right, grade 10. I just realized I made a mistake and I hope some of you caught that up. You are quite awake. I realized at the beginning of the year. So I hope I don't confuse you now. I'm just going to correct it because the videos become very long. This is negative 6x squared plus 3x squared gives you a negative 3x squared. It's not positive, people. So this is again, we make very easily mistakes with the negative and the positive. Now, if we look at the next step, we have negative 3x squared plus 7x squared, which then this 10x squared is completely wrong, people. Negative 3 plus 7 gives me 4x squared. Okay, I hope it doesn't confuse you. Good, so let's now again do the second part. We've got a quadratic equation, which we recognize from the square, and we've got the three terms, people, equaling 0. I will again use the quadratic formula, okay, to solve this. So we've got negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So now remember, when you go to the quadratic formula, a quadratic equation, the number going along with x squared is a, the number going along with x is b, and then simply just a number is c. Okay, so we need negative b. Okay, we have b being 15, so it is negative 15 plus minus, okay, b squared, again b is 15, square that, minus 4, then instead of a we will write another 4, okay, and instead of c we will write negative 25, okay, over 2, and then a again is 4, so we will put a 4 there. This is equal to x. So now 15 squared, I put it into my calculator now, minus 4, bracket open, 4, bracket closed, bracket open, negative 25, bracket closed, equals, that is 625. So this now simplifies to negative 15 plus minus 625 over 8, and that equals x. Okay. Now remember, you've got two possibilities. The one is the positive root and the other one is the negative root. So you got negative 15 plus the square root of 625 over 8, which equals x, or you got negative 15, now we use the minus the square root of 625 over 8. Okay, and if we could put this into your calculator, divide by 8, then this is 5 quarters equals x. And if you have negative 15 minus the square root of 625, divide by 8, that is negative 5 equals x. Okay, and now again, people, remember, you can check your answers. You can actually put the value of x, 5 quarters in here, 5 quarters in there, 5 quarters in there. Check whether your left hand side equals the right hand side, or negative 5 in there, negative 5 in there, negative 5 in there, and then check whether your answers left hand side is equal to the right hand side. We don't usually do the checks, people, and in exam there will not be time to do that anyway. Okay, I hope you understand. It is just working very, very systematically, cleanly, neatly, people, and use your colors.